There have been times in my life when I've actually said, you know, I'm a transsexual, and people have said, oh, well, don't you think you should shave? I mean, women don't have beards. So they'd think I was going the other way. There's nothing about me that looks female anymore, and I've been living as an adult male longer than I ever did as an adult female. You know, I remember feeling uncomfortable in my body as early as 5 years of age. You feel that something's amiss, that the skin that you're in isn't quite on right. I think it's probably one of the scariest things that humans can think about doing is undermining the very foundation of our existence, of the body, the gender that we are born into. That's really frightening for a lot of people. Just the idea of being able to change something so fundamental to identity.
People who are transgender can be quite threatening to other people because they call into question the idea that there are only men and there are only women.
I've had chest reconstruction surgery, which means a radical bilateral mastectomy with nipple reconstruction, so nipple grafts. And I've had a hysterectomy and an oophorectomy. And as far as modification of my genitalia, well, I haven't had surgical modification, but they are modified from the testosterone, from the hormone use. What that means is that my clitoris has tried its best to grow into a penis. And of course, it's a hybridized form of a penis, but it is a small penis. It does not ejaculate. I do not produce sperm. I do not have testes. And it's great. What can I say? Yeah. You know, some people use really big needles for this kind of thing. Well, that's just a bigger needle to put in your butt. I've been on testosterone injections for 20 years, and the standard regimen is once every 2 weeks, about 200 milligrams of testosterone. I'll start feeling it within 6 to 8 hours. For me, I get spontaneous erections, which are great. And sometimes I get pretty anxious or aggressive. I'm more ready to get in an argument with people. It's extraordinarily important to me to have a muscular form, a masculine body. It's very much a part of my gender identity. It's what makes me feel right in the world. I try and demystify the transsexual body as much as possible. I feel that that takes the fear element out of it for people when they begin to understand exactly how it is that we change our bodies. For a lot of people, it's the first time they've seen images, positive images that reflect who they are or show them who they can become. Having motorcycles and mountain bikes and boots and guns, these are things that have always been a part of my kit, my gear, my toolbox. It's not really a conscious effort to be as hyper-masculine as possible. I'm just doing the things that interest me.